Hello everybody, this is Lorenzo for Computer Science 110. This will be my final quiz for the quarter, quiz 10. And the idea for this is to write a function that takes a sentence and gives you the average length of a word in said sentence. Now to do this, first we define average word length in said sentence. Take the sentence string of words and it counts the total length and amount of words and delivers the average length of said words. And the split method is used. First, we define what the sentence is. I have not seen you in a long time, William. Word, and then we have words, which is the sentence split, which then splits the sentence into single words. What we have then is the word count, which is the length of the words, which will start with the 0 character at the very left. Then we have to make do the counter, which is ch, which is 0. Then we update it by ch plus is the length of the sentence. From there, we have to figure out the average, which is equal to ch divided by the word count. Then next we use the if-else statements of where we say if the average is 1, we print in the sentence the average word length is this letter. Else, it prints how many is the average. And now if we run this, doing the math, we should get 3.3. Oh, apologies. I added something that didn't need to be there. Let me fix that. So then if I run now it says in this one it's 4.3, but the real answer should be 3.3, meaning that when I was doing the code, it must have added an extra 10 digits in order to get to 4.3. But in overall, the code does illustrate the idea of how you split the sentences and then find the average. So in essence, this does work, and I'm not entirely sure how to fix it, but right now, it's best if I move with this, okay? So thank you for everything, for looking into these videos. My name is Lorenzo Perella, and I appreciate this class, even though everything was crazy. Anyway, take care and have a wonderful day.